So today we discuss about conservation of momentum. So in conservation of momentum, we study with the help of two objects. So there are two objects A and B. Okay. The conservation of momentum. So first we understand what is momentum. So momentum means mass into velocity. Okay. What is momentum? Mass into velocity. So object A is m1 multiplied by v1. Okay. m1 multiplied by v1. M means mass and v means velocity. And object B is m2 multiplied by v2. Okay. Then their collision head, A collide with B and B collide with A. So when A collide with B, it exert force F1, and when B collide with A, it exert force F2. The B exert force on A, it is the reaction, and A exert force on B, it is the action. So reaction is in the form of minus. So we also write it m1 v1. Okay, m1 multiplied by v1, m1 v1, and m2 multiplied by v2, m2 v2. Okay. Then f1 is equals to m1. A exert pressure f1 means m1 v1, and B exert pressure means minus m2 v2. Then m1 and v means velocity. Velocity is in the form of change. So we write change in velocity like that. v1 minus u1 upon t. V means final and u means initial velocity. And f2 is written by minus m2 v2 minus u2 upon t. Okay. Then when we multiply each other, then m1 v1 minus m1 u1 is equals to minus m2 v2 minus m2 u2. Okay, and t cancel with each other. Then m1 v1 like term is m2 v2. Then we transport m2 v2 from right to left. Okay, then m1 v1, it is in the form of minus. So from when transport m2 v2 from right to left, it could be in addition form. So minus is transformed into add m2 v2. Then we transform m1 um from left to right. So minus is transformed into plus m1 u1. So then here is a small mistake. When we multiply minus m2 multiplied by minus u2, then it could be plus. Okay, it could be plus. Then m1 u1 is there, then m2 u2 is still there. So initial momentum before collision and after collision is same. So here momentum is conserved. Momentum is conserved. Because the momentum is not destroyed and not produced, because it is constant in all universe. So conservation of momentum is before collision and after collision is same. It wouldn't be changed.